Foldable smartphones are getting smarter, sleeker, and more powerful, and OPPO's latest flagship, the OPPO Find N5, is here to redefine what a foldable phone can do. Today, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about this cutting-edge device, from its stunning design to its powerhouse performance. So if you're considering upgrading your tech game, stay tuned until the end. This is Tech DFS, your ultimate hub for all things tech. Starting with the design. OPPO has truly outdone themselves. The Find N5 is the world's thinnest foldable phone, measuring just 8.93mm when folded and an incredible 4.21mm when unfolded. This is achieved using aerospace-grade titanium alloy in the hinge, making it slim and incredibly durable. And speaking of the hinge, this titanium Flexion Hinge is 26% slimmer than its predecessor and can withstand over 100,000 folds. That means you can fold and unfold this thing multiple times a day without worrying about wear and tear. It comes in two elegant colors, misty white and cosmic black, giving it a premium look and feel that suits every style. Now let's talk about the displays. Yes, plural. On the outside, you get a 6.62-inch AMOLED screen with vibrant colors and sharp visuals, but the magic happens when you unfold it. You get a massive 8.12-inch display with a resolution of 2480 by 2248 pixels. It's like having a mini tablet in your pocket. Both screens support up to 120Hz refresh rate, making everything from scrolling through social media to gaming buttery smooth. Plus, with 2160Hz high-frequency PWM dimming, long screen time won't strain your eyes. And unlike other foldables, the crease on the Find N5 is barely noticeable thanks to OPPO's ultra-thin glass technology. It's certified by TÜV-certified for minimized crease, so you get a truly immersive experience. Under the hood, the OPPO Find N5 is a beast. It's powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, built on a 3nm architecture. This means blazing fast performance whether you're multitasking, gaming, or editing videos. Paired up with 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage, this phone handles everything you throw at it without breaking a sweat. And for gamers, the Adreno 830 GPU delivers stunning graphics and high frame rates. Connectivity is top-notch too, with support for Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring fast and reliable connections all the time. Now, let's talk cameras, because OPPO isn't playing around. The Find N5 packs a Hasselblad branded triple camera setup on the back. You get a 50-megapixel primary sensor with optical image stabilization, a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with triple optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens. With this setup, you're covered for every shot, from wide landscapes to detailed close-ups, and thanks to Hasselblad's color calibration, the photos are true to life and vibrant. Selfie lovers, you're in luck. There are 8-megapixel front-facing cameras on both the cover and the inner displays. Whether it's a quick selfie or a video call, you'll look sharp and clear. Powering all of this is a massive 5600 mAh dual-cell battery, ensuring all-day use without worrying about running out of juice. And when you do need a charge, OPPO's 80-watt SuperVOOC wired charging gets you from 0 to 100% in just about 42 minutes. It also supports 50-watt Air VOOC wireless charging and 10-watt reverse wireless charging, letting you top up accessories or share power with other devices on the go. On the software side, the Find N5 runs on ColorOS 15 based on Android 15. It's packed with smart features like AI search for quickly finding content and AI call summary, which transcribes calls in real time, perfect for staying connected. Plus, it has dual screen translation and interpreting features, ideal for travelers or bilingual users. And with O+ Connect, you can sync the Find N5 with your Mac devices for seamless cross-device functionality. So, what's the verdict? The OPPO Find N5 is a game changer in the foldable phone market. With its ultra-thin design, stunning displays, powerhouse performance, versatile camera system, and long-lasting battery, it truly delivers on all fronts. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a productivity geek, or just someone who wants the latest and greatest, this phone is hard to beat. It's not just a foldable, it's a statement. What do you think about the OPPO Find N5? Is it the foldable of your dreams, or are you sticking with a traditional smartphone? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews and comparisons. This is Tech DFS, your go-to channel for all things tech. Catch you in the next one.